Hello, today I'm going to do we have a Nissan Qashqai 2009 model. What happened, the MOT failed because of Driveshaft inner CV boot slipped, or however it failed for the MOT. Then we have to we need to do the inner CV boot. I'm going to show step by step how we get into the CV boot and how we going to replace CV boot. Stay with me. Okay, now I'll took it off the tire. Next step, you see the inner CV boot, it's gone. Yeah, need to replace it. Yeah, next step, I'm going to take off this circlip, CV joint nut. After that, undone this nut and two bolts, take it out a little bit, disconnect the drive shaft from the hub, and take off this caliper and hang it here, and disconnect from the holding bracket. This is the ABS sensor wire. Disconnect from here, take it out from here, and leave it as it is to make us more space. Right, I took it off the tire. Now I'm going to cleaning that two shock holding nut area, because it's very rust and a lot of mud deposit there. I'm cleaning with the wire brush, and after that I'm going to apply WD-40 and leave it for a couple of minutes to absorb in WD-40. Now I'm going to take off caliper runner, because I don't want to take off the caliper runner for the change in CV boot, but however I'm going to take it off that one, because same time I'm going to change front disc and pad also. Well, that's why I'm going to take off that caliper runner. That bolt very tight. I'm going to take off the disc now. There is a clip holding CV nut. I'm going to take off that clip. It's 34 mm nut. I'm going to remove that nut. Right, it's come out. Now I'm going to take off that shock absorber 2 nut and bolts. it's spinning. I have to use spanner for the other side. Took it off the bottom nut. Right, I'm going to take off drive shaft now. Drive shaft out. Right, I'm going to disconnect from there the CV boot. Right, I already disconnect from there. There is a circlip around that area. This is the area holding the bearing. We have to take off that spring first. This is the spring I'm talked about early. That's one holding that T bearing, preventing come out. This is the clip. Then after I'm going to remove that 3 bearing. There is another circlip in this area. Because of the grease I can't see it properly. Yeah, I'm going to take off that circlip. Yeah, it's come out now. Then after that I'm remove that bearing. Now I can easily take it out that CV boot. Just pull it out and put it on new one. Then after that I'm going to put it on 3 bearing. Now I'm going to put it on that circlip. Make sure it's put it on properly. Apply CV grease around that area, because there is a 3 bearing and it's running inside the casing, because if it metal to metal touch, the grease helpful for providing any grinding. Everywhere grease clean my hand little bit. Yeah, I'm going to put it back everything, push it in 3 bearings. Then after that make sure put it on that circlip I'll talk about early. Then after that I put it on the metal clip back of the CV boot. Now drive shaft in. Put it back to nut and bolts holding the shock absorber and the knuckle. Push it in a little bit and you can put it in easily, the bottom one. I'm going to tighten up now. Yeah, it's tight now. Put it via tight for the CV gate smaller side. CV gate a bigger side I already put it metal clip there, and the smaller side I am going to put it bigger wire tight and cut it the long thing. Drive shaft nut, put it back. That's 32 mm nut. Make sure that one tight properly. Put its circlip or lock spring back. If some reason that nut getting loose, it won't come out because of that circlip. Now I am going to put it new disc on. Before you put it on, make sure it's clean it both sides. I am using brake cleaner to clean it this disc because it's come with like a tiny oil layer surround that area. That's why I am using the brake cleaner to clean that oil layer. This is the caliper runner. I'm going to put it back. This one holding 2 bolts. Right, it's on properly. Now I am going to put it pad back. Before you put it on, make sure both edges apply little bit copper grease. Don't apply too much copper grease, but apply little bit copper grease. Other pad also same way you have to do it. Apply little bit copper grease. Then it's easy to sliding up and down. Going to put it caliper back. I didn't take off the top bolt, just slide in like that. No need to take it off the both bolts, just take it off 14 mm bottom bolt. Now I am going to put it back, that 14 mm bolt. No need to tight it very hard, just hand tight is enough for that one. Clean fingerprint around that area because I touch this with my dirty gloves, that's why the fingerprint there. I'm going to put it the tire back now. Here tire on. Now I'm going to lower the take off axle stand and lower the jack. Yeah, job done. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please send it to us. I will reply you as much I can. Thanks for watching. I am Charlie from Sanu Motors. Don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks again.